Front camera tricks when you're parking, la partie française dans la description. Welcome to Tips and Tricks with Pat on Tech and Wheels with Pat. So we're going to talk about using the front camera when you're parking. So let's do this. Well, you might ask why the front camera, because usually when you charge in front. So you have the possibility to push on a 360, but I have a little trick that I usually use is I put the car in park just before I'm parking at the place, and I turn it to reverse, and the camera comes automatically, and then you just turn it on drive, and then you have the forward camera. Sometimes when you push on the 360 camera, you have to in a way to choose which camera you're going to use, so it's not always the front or back camera that comes on. So with this method, it takes a few seconds just to turn from reverse to drive, and then you have the front camera so that you can park as far as you wish. So that was the tips for the day. So thank you for... Bienvenue sur mon canal. Je vais vous montrer un petit truc que je fais couramment, et ça peut aider certaines personnes pour le parkage. Vu que le port de chargement est à l'avant du véhicule, vous avez la possibilité d'appuyer sur 360 degrés, donc la caméra, pour vous parquer. Mais moi j'ai un truc qui est un peu plus rapide. Je mets sur reverse, donc marche arrière, et je mets sur drive, marche avant, et puis la caméra avant se met en place. Et puis voilà, on est parqué. Donc voilà, tout simple, un petit truc avant le week-end. Donc bon week-end, et puis à une prochaine. Ciao, ciao.